Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the least package removal strategy in Odoo 18 inventory module. The least package removal strategy in Odoo is a feature designed to optimize inventory management by minimizing the number of packages open to fulfill the orders. This strategy is particularly useful for the business that deal with products packaged in various quantities such as boxes, cartons, or pallets. So let's see how can we manage the least package in Odoo 18. So you can just dive into the inventory module. From there, let's head into the configuration settings. And under the operations, we can find the packagers. So we can put your products in a pack like parcels, box, and we can easily track them. So least package is a method where we are just going to choose a particular product from the list of the package. Let's say that we have just received an order from the customer for books. Okay, so as you just move on to the books over here, you can find the books with the packet in different quantities. So as you just move on to the on hand here, you can see that we have on hand quantity as 50 and it has got 4 packets. But different packet has got different number of quantities over here. So if the customer is just going to place an order for 30 quantity of a book, then the customer would choose pack 1 and pack 2. If the customer is just going to choose 35 quantity of books, then it will be taking from pack 2 and pack 4. So, um, the Odoo will always go with the open package when in case of the least package removal strategy. Okay, so if we have sufficient quantity in the open package, Odoo will take that package, or else we will go with the unopened package which meet the sufficient quantity. Okay, if we don't have sufficient quantity in the open package, then only Odoo will choose the unopened package. I hope that concept is clear. So let's move on to the sales module. So in the sales module, we can just create the quotation. So to create a new quotation, you can choose new button where you can just fill out the details of the customer. Afterwards, the next step is that to choose the product, and here let me set the quantity as 35. So here you can see we have 35 quantity with its unit price, the tax that is applied, everything is visible over here. Now let me save this and let's confirm the order. So once I confirm this order, you can see the next step is that to deliver the item. So before the delivery of the item, you can see the packet that has taken. So as you just move on to here, you can see we have just taken 20 and 15 quantities over here. Okay. Now let's save this and you can just validate with the process. So this is one of the technique by which we can choose a removal strategy of the list package. So here you can see that we are just undergoing with 2 steps, and now let's move on to the next transfer in order to deliver the item to the customer. So you can just click on validate button, and here currently we have just delivered the item to the customer. And if you want to find the packages here, you can see the packages that is taken and that will be visible over here. So by implementing the least package removal strategy, you can optimize your inventory management process by reducing cost and improve overall efficiency. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.